guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we will be dealing this HP laptop G6. This has got a keyboard problem, and this particular laptop has got many screws inside out. So we'll just go through this and then we will show you how the model number look like. So as you can see, there model number is given there, HP 245 G6. So now we will just first of all remove the screws, then slowly we will operate and then change the keyboard. So let me show you. Some screws are here and there, and in the front part also there are two, so as you can see here. So first of all we'll remove all the screws, but before that we have to dismantle this battery, completely removed, so that make sure that there is no short circuit and all like that. So we'll just remove that, and then now we will take the screwdriver and then we will remove all the screws starting from here, and then I will fast forward this video, and then we'll be back when the screws are taken out completely. So we need to open this all the edges with the opener, the flat opener. Make sure that there's no scratches around. So all this, once you remove the screw, so with this flat we have to open all the slides, and after that you can take a screw and then you can just put it, and then you continue. Now as you can see, now we have opened the case. So this is the RAM slots where the RAM are placed there, and you can see the components, so we can remove and take it out this, but there are a lot of screws inside here, so we need to remove them one by one. Be gentle. So this is the Wi-Fi card which we have put. Now let's remove the hard disk, dismantle this hard disk. So now we have removed, so that is a speaker. These both of the speakers are here. So even this motherboard have to be removed completely, and this chips here and those things have to removed. Then only then below there's the screws, so make sure that you see nicely. So now this is the cover of that keyboard. We have to remove this iron board, and now just sidewise there are some clip. All this lock-in system we have to remove gently. So after that we can take it out, this now keyboard, the spoiled keyboard, and then we have to replace with a new one. So we have bought the new keyboard, as you can see, so we have to replace with this one, and after that you screw back to this very place.